It's Kingston Rex, man. I want to teach you guys how to install game, how to install PES 217 on your system, man. On your PC Pro. It's just simple. Very rough. As you can see now, I'm installing it now. I'm still processing it now. The simple way. I'm cracking it now. Then you go over to this side. You'll see my sensor. You go over to this side. Then you click on the computer panel button. You go to this, you see me now, I'm clicking it. You click on the button, open it, tap it again, you start installing it. After installing it, open the folder. You go to your disk, then create a folder. After creating the folder, then you can enjoy your game. It's still processing. The game is still processing. I'm still installing it. Bye. Thanks for your support.